Hey guys, what's up? My name is Brennon, and this is my bike. I just recently snapped my brake cable off, but here's my brake lever anyways. It's Odyssey mono lever. Yeah. Alright. Well, up here I got Animal Ed1 grips, Kink V3 Badger bars, Nitrous Trap stem. And then down here, I got my Primo Dirt Monster with the stock front DK wheel, and then stock forks. Right here, I got my DK Reaction frame and Shadow Conspiracy seat, Poverty seat post, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, and then stock DK cranks. I got Eastern Medusa Light chain wheel and KMC red chain. And then back here I got my Nitrous double shot back wheel. Yeah, that's it. And then just stock Tektro brakes.
And integrated headset. I don't know what kind it is. It's something.
Yeah, it's just stock, whatever.
Yeah. It's in here.
That's
Hub sound.
Oh, okay. Hub sound.
It always sounds terrible when you lift up the back wheel, but whatever.